What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome to my channel. But you guys, for today's video, I'm just doing like a little cute glam look, you know, purple pink glam look. So getting right on into the video, I'm using this Morphe palette, the 3503 Fierce by Nature, and the first color that I'm going to be applying into my crease is going to be this pink shade called Unstoppable. Alright, so the next color that I'm going to be blending into my crease as well is called Winning Label. Alright, so now that I have that blended, the next shade that I'm going into is called Hypnotic. Alright, so this is a cut crease look, so I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and go ahead and cut the crease. And then after I finish doing that, I'm going to go in with two pink shimmer shades. The first one I'm going to be going in with is called Inferno. That's going to be going towards my outer corner of my eye. And then for the inner corner, I'm going in with the shade Full Blast. Alright, so now that I've applied both glitters to the eyelid, I'm going to go back in with the shade Hypnotic, and I'm going to go ahead and, you know, just blend it into Inferno, to the shade Inferno, just to make everything look blended. And then I'm going to go in with my silver glitter from Stila? I believe I said that right. I don't know the actual shade of the glitter. I think it's called Pixie, but I'm not really sure because I don't have it in front of me, so I will leave the name of it in the description box for you. Okay, so to finish up the eye look, I'm going to go ahead and add a wing liner. So I'm going in with my NYX liquid eyeliner and applying that. I should have used the gel liner for this look, but I wasn't really thinking when I was doing the look, so oh well, you live and you learn. But moving on to the face, I am using, to prime my face, I'm using the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Primer. And then for foundation, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 335. Alright, and to conceal and highlight underneath my eyes and everywhere else, I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Next for contour, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Cocoa to do a cream contour, and then I'm going to go in with her contour kit, and I'm going to be using the darkest shade in that palette to, you know, set my contour. Alright, and to bake and set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Mercier Translucent powder and apply that. so finishing up the eye look, I went back in with those 2 pink shades from earlier and applied those underneath my eyes. I did apply black mascara and black eyeliner in my waterline. Alright, I'm almost finished, but I gotta set my face first using the Morphe setting spray, and then I'm gonna go in and highlight, and I'm going to be highlighting using the Mercier highlighter, my favorite highlighter. I always use it in every video, so yeah. Alright, so and for lips, I'm gonna go in with this brown lipstick by NYX. I'll have the name of it in the description box below. I did apply a Kylie lipstick earlier, but I didn't like the shade of it, so I switched it up. But this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the look. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you guys in my next video.